everything, every line by line, page by page, 9, 10, all pages he go through that in journal. Then the third reviewer, he also point by point he go through 4 reviewer. You saw how much the comment, all the comments. And beside that there is another reviewer, he commented on a PDF, he don't write. So the 4 reviewer is 0.8 impact factor. But we say we have to publish because they already one process, we find out. And I go through his comment, lot of comment is genuine, means I don't say that the comment is wrong. So that is one PhD student paper. So we revise it. And as I'm very liberal with that one, if I feel that I'm not going to satisfy or I'm not going to cover this topic, I take somebody else who is expertise in that area and I give him the full respect. I put him as a co-author according to his contribution. So I always do. I don't feel that shy that if I go other persons to ask. No, it's there is because you are not the jack of all trades. So if you feel that the certain part of that, because this paper on activated carbon, the student have made the activated carbon and she used activated carbon as a filler. So the major problem happened when we go to publish it, it's very difficult to publish. Why? Because activated carbon nobody uses. That is the novelty. But the activated carbon nobody uses as a filler in composite. Because most of the people are using activated carbon in the treatment of wastewater and other thing. Nobody using the polymers. Very difficult to publish. Where we said reject. Several journals we get the rejection. I take almost 1 year to publish this paper, but lastly with the 6 pages reviewer comment we publish it. So you don't be I'm saying don't be disheartened with the reviewer comment, and especially for the student, your paper will improve. So your paper will improve, ultimately your thesis will improve. The purpose of review, but of course every time you don't get the comment like this. These are the people who invest in your paper and he or she read your paper line by line, everything. Like you saw renewable energy, I saw every point by point. So A is mistake, you find out, means he read your paper 73, means in that maybe the 18 page or something is, but more than 50 page. That paper is more than 50 page. So he spent the time and he is finding a mistake from your paper. So it means that he really liked your paper and interest is developed to him to read your paper. Otherwise, he don't comment on your paper. So it's very good. So now we think that paper who published is a unique paper on Kenaf bioenergy, but because no paper in the Malaysian perspective. So what data we gather in that paper, hopefully the good citation is going to get that paper because there is no paper on that sector. This so I saw there is I have some comment, a small one, not the bigger. Like this is one comment while I am working in the UTM. There is one Iranian student. He is already pass out his master. So that I am working. So the Prof. Azman said me to please help to publish this paper. So we submitted this paper in the Journal of Polymer Engineering. There is one journal. So they commented on this. Thank you submitting your publication. Referred above has been reviewed and a comment of referee are including in the bottom of this letter. You will note that they expressed some concern regarding the certain aspect of the paper. We would hope, however, that a significant reworking could result in accommodations, the principal reviewer comment and to the editing. We would discuss the welcome preparation of the revision which would be mutually acceptable. Another, he used a very good, I like the word, he used mutually acceptable. Mutually acceptable means author also ready to what the changes required to do, a reviewer. So come in the between that one. So you look that comment, in this comment he said to do some experiment to us and some controversy. So how we reply? First he said that examine the entries in the table 1 to make changes and proper representation of the figure. Remove the boxes from the round figure. Now they remove the boxes from the figure. Then they say do not use color unless absolutely necessary. The publisher will charge you. This is because most of the journal is charging if your figure is color, is especially in the print form. If you online want, they give free. But if you want, so they say $950 per page to print in a color. We will be happy to use a color in the web edition for free. If you can use black and white in the figure, please send us a grayscale figure and a color figure. If you want the letter in the web edition also, please note in your cover letter that you are sending 2 copies of the figure. So we will look it. They want the color figure also, they want gray figure from you. So we say we will provide you color and gray figure. Then he come the comment. This is just because I am able to find out the original what we call the paper, unfortunately deleted. So there is some comment which I just highlighted because I have some confusion. So I want to ask this thing from the student what they done. So remove all of the irrelevant instrumentation information. Simply add a readable prominent scale bar and text that is at least 10 point directly to the figure, and remove the black box across the bottom in the figure. So this assignment I given to the student to do it. Please begin the abstract paragraph on a new page and should not appear in the title page. So now we begin the abstract paragraph on the new page. Please number the equation 1 to the. Okay, we number the equation as per your suggestion. Then he said remove the bracket. We done the bracket. We need that caption. Okay, and carefully read. So the first comment you saw is from the editor. The first comment you saw from the editor, not from the reviewer. That is comment because some of the journal, the editor also comment your paper. So this journal, the editor comment on that paper. Now come to the reviewer. The reviewer said the paper shows some reasonable result. The papers show some reasonable result. However, the work lacked new fundamental or innovative ideas. It is not clear if the emphasis of the manuscript on the improvement of the electrical and flammability properties of ATH or EPDM. If the focus on the effect of ETH, most of the results have been published in other paper as indicated by the authors throughout the manuscript. So, if this work focus on the effect of, you saw the reviewer is giving you the line because you already quoted some paper. So what is the new in this your paper? Why not you highlight? He is giving you the chance. And more work will need to be done to convey the ideas. In short, it is unclear to reader what technology gap in the corresponding research area this paper would like to fill. As we are talking, we say there must be some innovative things which is new. So here the things will, criticism is that what is the new, what is the novelty, what you want to produce in this paper. So what we done? But we have to write the novelty of this paper. So we say novelty of this paper is tracking test of ATH, field PP, EPDM blanks for electrical properties under high voltage application. It has not been performed until now. So we highlight the novelty because they say novelty of the paper is missing. Paper focus on the effect of ATH field on polymer blank rather than focus on ATH or EPDM individually, because he is talking about that thing. So we will explain him clearly what is the motive of that paper. We forget to explain in the paper. Then he is talking about some line number 2. You make the compare some English, So we say okay, we rectify the above error, and we have corrected this minor error. Then they are talking about the tracking test or something, and then they say okay, you will have some figure to best illustration in the ATH content LI. So we say we will convert table 3 into the figure as per your suggestion. You want the more illustration, so we change the table into the figure. This is the first reviewer. Second reviewer again commented. Second reviewer said this is tidy, this is done, and then what we call that. I think that the manuscript seems to be a technological report than a scientific one. He said it's not a scientific work. He said this is a technological work, and also some important discussion are missing in the text before the publication. The following point have been clearly addressed and new analysis should be performed. He said new analysis should be performed. In the current version of then he write, so this is the very good thing. If you look that one, it's a very good thing we write. In current version of the manuscript seems to be technological report and scientific one. Actually, the structure and electrical properties part of the text have to be improved. For example, there is no information about the structure of the composites. XRD and TEM analysis can be performed. He is saying what to us? To do XRD and TEM. So we don't want to do, because the TEM is very long queue and difficult to get the line, and the student already pass out. So we have no choice to do it. So what we done? We write the answer. We say we already show morphological properties of composite by SEM micrograph. XRD and TEM of this sample we are unable to run at this moment because our short-term project related to this study already finished. What we give the answer, and we are not lying to them. This is reality, because the student is passed out and the grant which we are working is finished. So we say this is, we excuse them, we say we are unable to run at this moment because our short-term project related to this study already finished. But we are 50-50. 50-50 means they are going to give us chance or not. And he again talk about the dielectric breakdown, strength and all these things he is saying. So we say at this moment, again we excuse. First we excuse, we are not want to do XRD and TEM. And again we excuse, at this moment we are unable to do above test because our project carried out as per the grant, which limit our static to the electrical tracking test and flammability. So what you want is not possible to do because it's under that grant, and that grant say us to do that thing. So what we carried out. Then he asked the same some information that say that you have the similar, and then why there is no explanation. Probably the reason is inhomogeneity, description of ATH, and something is asking. So we say we will try to explain it within the manuscript. Then we say, you saw the word, we did not agree with you. What we write? We did not agree with you that SEM EDX analysis necessary to do. We already reported some of the composite which clearly show the distribution of ATH in composite. EDX analysis will only confirm existence of different compound elements such as alumina within composite. It is not possible for us to conduct EDS of above sample at this moment due to scarcity of fund. We not agree with his comment, and also we say not possible to do EDX of this material at this moment. Okay, so why I show this? Because this paper accepted.
Possible.
This paper, after writing all this thing, this paper accepted. Because I remember that I am working as a visiting lecturer with Prof. Adman. Prof. Adman said, Dr. Javed, they are going to concede it or not? Because we himself, I said, Prof, let us we try. Because this is the reality. Student is pass out. We have no grant to run. And if we are going to do SEM, EDF, TEM and all these things, it will take a long time. So let us try. If they accept, is good. If not accept, let us try other, So we, alhamdulillah, when we reply this thing, the editor will very happy, and he gives us acceptance letter of this paper. So I'm only showing you the success one, not failure one, okay? Because I don't want to make you the more depressed with that thing. So I'm showing you the success story. Even like this, if you explain, if the editor is nice, he understands the condition. Maybe some of them don't accept, but the editor who accept, that we done. This is also one of the comments. The first paper is rejected, and again we complain it to the editor, and editor is ready to accept. So very good thing is that you saw that they say submitted review article, nanofiller natural fiber hybrid composite potential material in my opinion, does not comply with the subject of the title. In detail, the reader have spent 24 pages.